The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for West Central Milam County and Central Texas, Southeastern Bell County and Central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:33 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bartlett, or near Granger, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Rogers around 7:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Buckholz around 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Edgeworth, Val Verde, Sharp, Sparks, Davila, Prairie Dell, and Laydale. This includes Interstate 35 near mile marker 279. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.